Today I'm going to be reviewing high-resolution dash camera. This dash camera is made by OIIEE dashcam. Let's look and see what's inside the box. Camera itself. Suction cup bracket, mini USB to USB. This is the charger, mini USB, and I think this is a GPS device. Also, this camera should be able to track your location and record on the map or somewhere, something like that. And an owner's manual. Owner's manuals is in English. Once you plug in your camera, if you don't have an SD card, it will not start recording, but if you do have an SD card, it will start recording automatically. Let's go over the menu really quick. Right here, resolution. I'm gonna leave it at 1080p, but you can set it to 720 and 480. Loop recording, there are many different options, even up to 10 minutes. I'm gonna leave it 3 minutes. WDR, I'm gonna leave it off. G sensor, I'm gonna leave it at low. Exposure, I'm gonna leave it default. Motion detection, I'm gonna leave it off. Record audio, I'm gonna leave it on so I can hear everything what's going on in the car. Date and time, I'll set up later. We can go to setup, date and time. Auto power, I'm gonna leave it off. Ketone, I'm gonna leave it off as well. Language, I'm gonna leave it English. HD out, I'm gonna leave it as default, PAL. Screensaver, I'm gonna leave it turned off. Frequency, you can set to 50 Hz, but I'm gonna leave it at 60 as default. GPS switch, I'm gonna leave it on because after reviewing the footage, I'm gonna be able to see GPS coordinates. So I wanna make sure that GPS is on. GPS speed unit, you can leave it as kilometers or miles. I'm gonna leave it miles. Time zone, you can format your card, and default settings. And then version. And this is basically it with the menu. And also while you're driving, it's gonna show you your speedometer here, your speed is gonna be here. So if your odometer doesn't work, you can actually use this dash cam to see your speed. Okay, and I'm gonna take it outside. I'm gonna test the quality of this camera.
Here's one more thing I would like to show you. This camera has a software that you can download. You can get the instructions from Amazon. So once you install the software, what you can do, you can bring your footage and just drop it over here, and it's gonna start playing your footage. Where were you driving, your speed, and your GPS coordinates. As you can see it right here, I was going a little over 54 miles per hour. Also, you're gonna be able to see your speed on the actual dash cam itself, and it uses Google Maps for GPS coordinates. So you can actually see where you were driving. So this GPS is really good for example, if you have a smaller company and you would like to track your employees or something like that. If there's an accident or incident happened or something, and you need to see how fast he was going, one of your workers or employee or something, and you can actually pull all that data, where exactly he was driving and how fast he was driving. So this is one of the cool features that other cameras don't offer. And just because of this feature, I think it's worth buying this camera. If I would have to buy another camera, because I have a couple of OIIE cameras, I would probably give it a try. I would purchase this one as my next one. So in my opinion, by looking at the footage and all of the features that this camera offers, I think this is not bad of a deal. For 50 bucks. You can get decent camera with Sony sensor, and you can get your GPS coordinates and how fast you're driving. So overall, this is a pretty good camera. And I will put link in the description below where you can buy this camera. And thanks to OIIE company for sending me this camera for a review. Once again, thanks for watching.